front of me is REALME GT 70, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Devices Settings. When you're ready, scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Now it's time to scroll again, and this time click on Screen Refresh Rate. Then tap on one of those options to apply a perfect one for you. And when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. If you want to, you can also tap on screen refresh rate, scroll all the way down and tap on high. Then choose app specific refresh rate at the bottom. Tap on one of your apps and select the refresh rate for it by clicking on the best option in the pop-up. You can adjust all of those this way if your device is set up at high refresh rate. If it's not, this option will be unavailable. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!